big news, you don't need to spend time clicking on filters to make your Sales Navigator searches anymore. We just built a tool that allows you to describe your audience with natural language, and this AI will turn that into a Sales Navigator search URL that you can export in CSV with professional emails later on. So let me show you right now how it works. So here I'm on the Evaboot Sales Navigator URL generator. I will leave the link in the description. And the only thing that you need to do now is describe your audience here. You don't even need to go on Sales Navigator. So let's try this. So let's say sales managers using HubSpot in San Francisco. Then a type of business like you can say SaaS businesses, and no more than 200 employees. So here I just described my audience with natural language. I click on generate URLs, and now I wait between 30 and 50 seconds and I will get my search URL. Super, so now I get the output, I can copy it or I can open the search directly, and here we are going to see several things. So first thing, the headcount. So we said less than 200 employees, so we can see that this instruction has been followed. And then we have two Boolean expressions. So one for the job title here and one for the profile search here. So we said sales managers, so let's take a look at the Boolean search. So here we can see that we first look for like decision makers keywords like manager, senior manager, head, director, and then like field keyword, so sales, revenue, business development, BD, commercial, accounts, and then we excluded non decision maker people, so assistant, analyst, intern, junior, rep, representative. So this is a pretty good Boolean search for the job title. And then we looked for more like, let's say, niche keyword on the profile, because rarely the salespeople, they will say like HubSpot expert in their job title. They will write that in the about section, in the job description. So we need to use the profile search to do that. And so this search bar here. And here we said HubSpot and SaaS businesses. So here we say HubSpot and SaaS, or software as a service, or cloud software. And here we can see first results, head of business development, Ocean.io, which is a SaaS business. And the cool thing is that we just wrote sales manager, but the AI looked for more than that. You know, head of business development is a synonym of sales manager. We don't like only look for the precise keyword sales manager, but also keywords that have the same meaning, basically. Let's take a profile to see if the keywords are present. So we'll look for SaaS. So here we get SaaS, we get business development manager, and HubSpot. Okay, HubSpot, we got an endorsement. This is not super relevant. It would have been better on the job description because it has been written like by Laura here, basically. But maybe it means that she already used it. So still have value, still worth it to send a message. And let's say if the company is indeed a SaaS business. So quick lizard, and pro retail brand with AI-driven dynamic pricing technology. So yeah, it's a SaaS business. So you can see that these leads fit the search criteria. So you have the right company headcount. You have also the location here. Obviously, you have a Boolean search for job title and a Boolean search for the profile. And you can see that the search results are pretty accurate because we only have 31 leads. So it means that the audience is really targeted. Obviously, if you have the Evaboot Chrome extension, if you want to export these leads into a CSV file and get their emails, you just click on export with Evaboot here. You export with emails and you launch your export like this. Now, what we've done here is actually not the best way to find sales managers in companies. The best way to search for like sales managers in a specific type of companies is to first look for companies, make a company list, and then look for decision makers inside these companies. That's why we also built the account search URL generator. So that is actually the best process to use this tool. So first, generate an account search URL, then make a list of companies out of the search, generate a lead search URL, and then add your account list to it. So here the first step will be to first look for companies. So let's say SaaS businesses in the New York state, more than 200 employees. And let's generate this first URL for now. Okay, cool. So my account search URL have been generated. I will take a look at it. So more than 200 employees, that's the case. New York, some industries, so software development, technology, information and internet, IT services and IT consulting, so relevant. And in the search bar, what we have, SaaS, software as a service, cloud software, web application, cloud platform, enterprise software, business software, here, digital platform, cloud application. So this is pretty exhaustive. Tech platform, cloud service, software products, web platform, online platform, not. And then we got some exclusions. Consulting, agency, or freelancer. So we make sure this is not a service business. Okay. So only 70 results. So we are targeting big companies. So obviously there are less big companies, there are more than 200 employees. SaaS business, there are a few, but I think maybe if you had some industries here, you can get more than that. So this is really targeted. At least you're sure that these are qualified. I guess you could expand a bit if you add companies or delete all the industries. But this is a good list. Next step, here we have a good list, so we can save that into a new list. Let's say SaaS NYC plus 200. And you already know the deal. It's pretty painful, but you have to add this manually. Actually, I think we'll develop something to automate that with Evaboot soon, because everybody struggles with that, and this is really painful. So now I have my company list. So now I can get back to my lead search URL generator, and right now I will not mention stuff about the company because I already have my list of accounts. I will just focus on the lead. So I will just describe the decision maker I want. So sales managers using HubSpot. And just need that. I don't need more than that because I already described the companies. And here my search will only be focused on the company list that I've built just before. Okay, perfect. I have my lead search URL. I open it, and then I just need to go to account list and look for my SaaS NYC list. And boom, now I have sales managers using HubSpot inside the companies in my account list. You can ignore here the backslashes. So when we generate basically the URL programmatically, we can't delete them, but it doesn't change the search results. Same thing if you get only one keyword here with parentheses, it doesn't change the search results here, so you can ignore them. So yeah, that's it. You have a super qualified lead list here. You can export it with Evaboot with emails if you need them in a CSV file, and you're good to go. So you can find the link to the tool in the description, and if you use it, please publish your results or tell me about it in the comment section. This is still a work in progress, So with your feedbacks, we will continue to improve the prompts, improve the workflows, and make it a better tool. I genuinely hope it will help you save time. And if you still want to learn how to use Sales Navigator and build Sales Navigator searches by yourself, you can still check the complete LinkedIn Sales Navigator tutorial I've made just right here. I wish you a great day, and I see you in the next one. Ciao.